Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Ramzan vlog and also a birthday vlog. Yeah, you can call it a birthday vlog or Ramzan vlog. I'll call it a birthday vlog. Okay, so what happened after that video I uploaded? Nothing happened. I came to Bangalore and I thought of making few vlogs, but nahi ho paya, and I'm just trying to make. I'm just trying to be consistent with vlogs. So I know the gap is pretty big. I'm trying. Okay. Anyways, so I came back to Bangalore. फिर रमज़ान स्टार्ट हो गया, फिर मेरा बर्थडे आया. So this is basically a birthday vlog. So my birthday was a week ago, almost a week ago. Firstly, I'll tell two. थोड़ा बहुत about my birthday. I am a person who was always excited for my birthday. When I was a kid, I remember I used to plan everything. I used to get excited for my birthday almost a month before the date. Almost a month before the date, I used to be very excited. I used to plan dresses. I was excited for the dress. I remember one incident where um, my whole point was like अगर नया कपड़ा नहीं आया तो I'm not going to celebrate my birthday. That's what my attitude was towards my birthday. So from past few years I stopped celebrating it, but not because of any particular reason, but simply I stopped. I mean, I was celebrating it, but not in a very conventional way, you can say. Like, the celebration was very different. I used to buy dresses, but I stopped buying dresses as in dresses. I started buying gym stuff instead of dresses. This time also, I thought the same, that I will buy something from gym because my life revolves around gym. Uh, I Yeah, so the celebration kind of changed, and it involves like it went from people to no people celebration. So this is me attempting celebrating my birthday in a way that I hope I am going to enjoy. And I actually forced myself, not force myself, but I actually, yeah, kind of, not force, मतलब कि जबरदस्ती नहीं दिलवाया है कपड़ा हमने अपने आप को. यह तो अलग ही सेल्फ पैम्परिंग चल रही है. I actually make myself buy the dress this time, and I wasn't planning, but I don't know, it's a big deal for me. It used to be. Anyways, cut short करते हैं इसको. So basically, right now you guys go and watch a little bit of clip from my birthday, like जिस दिन birthday था उस दिन का, because I didn't do anything. But yes, I met with one of the closest person in my life. So I met with her. I थोड़ा बहुत जो celebration करना था, we did that. Like, yeah. उसके बाद I applied mehendi. If you can see, I am a person who never applied mehendi. But I applied mehendi not because it was my birthday, because the reason why I applied mehendi was because my friend, she wants me to apply mehendi. So just to show that she is important, that's why I apply mehendi. Anyways, so you go and watch what happened, like what I did, little bit, थोड़ा बहुत जो भी किया उस दिन, and then you come and watch this vlog. So basically, it's both the vlog.
खिचड़ी बनाना सीखा, बहुत अच्छा खाओगी.
खिचड़ी कैसे जलेगा है कुछ, कैसे जलना है इसको. इसको मार दो. ये वाला मैंने काट कर दे.
है ना, क्यों बोली वो ऐसी निकल गया मुंह से। ठीक है अच्छी बात है।
So this is the dress. This is the dress and the very heels. This is the heels. Is it working? Hello, hello. I have no idea it's working or not. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, so I have also ordered myself a cake, which is funny, but I did. No, it's not funny. I think when people don't celebrate you, you should celebrate yourself. Yeah. So makeup में क्या करें? Light makeup ही करेंगे. Ow. Clutch भी अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, let's do it. Okay. उसके बाद I will take. यार हमको थोड़ा सा रोज़ा फील क्यों हो रहा है? उल्टी टाइप्स क्यों लग रहा है मुझे? इसमें दिखाएंगे अंदर जाना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक काजल लगाना चाहिए। काजल तो लगाएंगे हम, वो लगा लें क्या? क्या बोलते हैं? आर यू श्योर हम लगा लेंगे? अरे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आई लाइनर। कि हम पागल लगेंगे। I'm imagining myself in eyeliner. I think I will look mad. नहीं, I will not put eyeliner. Or should I? I don't know. कुछ तो लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay, this is a tricky part. Oh no, हो जाएगा. Because I have an idea with the kajal thing. I'm going to remove this. Kajal, बस ये सही है. You know? Yeah, I think this looks better with the no kajal look. Yes, yes. So this is the final look. नहीं अभी final look नहीं, भाई आँख में बाहर, अरे यार कान में भी कुछ पहनना है ना. Okay, let's see. But I'm thinking to go with the pearls. मैं नहीं हो रहा तब शायद एकदम भी हम नहीं पहनेंगे. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. No, I'm not wearing this. No. Too much. Okay. I think go with this pearl. That's it. That is more than enough. मेरे हिसाब से, मेरे लिए, मेरे पर्सनालिटी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. See? Simple and easy. केक दिया गया. I will show you my cake also. But I'll show you at the place where I'll go to fridge में रख देते हैं केक पहले. I want to acknowledge one thing, that my best friend, male best friend, he forgot my birthday. I just wanted to mention this here. Okay, we'll see you now. We will see. I mean, I will see you at the place. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. So before ending the vlog, I would like to show a gift which my friend gave me yesterday. It was such a thoughtful gift. So basically, it's this. This is doa jar, and this is basic. I'll just show you कैसे है ये. So ये एक jar है, and then this comes with lot of chits, and chits as in ki paper chits. It comes with a lot of paper chits. So every chits have something written, one liner. अभी कैसे करना है, देख सी यहाँ पर if you see there is a color given to every emotion. So if you're happy you'll open the yellow chit. If you are thankful you will open a green chit. If you are anxious you'll open the orange chit. Okay, I need to open the orange chit, and I was opening yellow chit. Okay, so basically हर emotions को एक एक color दिए हुए हैं. So whatever you are feeling in that moment you will open uska chit. So I'll just do a demo. So I woke up from a very bad dream. Not a bad dream, but I saw a reptile in my dream and I was a bit anxious because of that. So I will open anxious wala. Let's see will it work or not. Okay. इसमें लिखा हुआ है that sufficient for us is Allah and He is the best disposer of affairs. So you see this. So yeah. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye. And also, I would also like to thank each and everyone who wished me on my birthday, who took an effort and sent things. I tried to make it special. Thanks for all of these wishes and presents of yours, and yeah, that's all. Bye.